Welcome to this explainer. Let's jump right into the mind-bending science of how psilocybin actually reshapes human consciousness.
Ever wonder how a simple chemical completely alters reality? It really just comes down to one tiny brain switch.
In 2018, scientist Katrin Preller blocked one specific brain receptor. Crazy enough, this reduced the psychedelic state by 90%.
This highlights our core mystery perfectly. The profound trip literally vanished, even though the drug was still fully active.
Meet that exact switch, the 5-HT2A receptor. It's located right in your brain's executive control center.
So your body actually converts ingested psilocybin into psilocin. That active metabolite is the real molecular key here.
Psilocin fits the 5-HT2A lock, just like normal serotonin. But as a biased agonist, it triggers totally different pathways.
Here's the fascinating paradox. Normal serotonin stabilizes you, right? But psilocybin unlocks this intense, chaotic neural noise.
How does it do that? It triggers a rapid activation cascade, building into a massive flood of cortical glutamate.
This glutamate flood completely overwhelms your brain's sensory gatekeeper. Suddenly, the boundary between signal and noise just breaks down.
The result? Your ego network shuts down, and normally isolated brain regions suddenly start communicating in high-entropy chaos.
Now, the acute trip lasts maybe 6 hours, but the healing lasts for months. Let's look at exactly why.
Well, psilocybin triggers the release of BDNF. Think of this as the ultimate brain fertilizer for profound neuroplasticity.
This opens a plasticity window, quite literally growing new hardware to encode lasting changes in your personality and cognition.
With effects this powerful, you might logically ask yourself, why isn't psilocybin highly addictive to the human brain? Because those 5-HT2A receptors rapidly retreat into the cell after activation. You physically cannot trip again the next day.
It's a built-in biological safety mechanism. It actually takes 3 to 4 whole days just to return to baseline.
The result? Absolutely zero withdrawal. Your brain just resets, making compulsive daily use practically impossible.
Looking to the future? Can we engineer this profound neuroplastic healing without the intense psychedelic trip?
Enter psychoplastogens. Scientists are designing specific molecules to unlock that BDNF growth while leaving your ego completely intact. Ultimately, understanding this single receptor helps us map the exact molecular basis of human psychological transformation.
I'll leave you with this thought. Is the mind-altering trip just a side effect or the actual cure?